Alright, so welcome back again. This is the third one. So by now you really do know that I say fucking a lot, and you also know that I just don't do intros. So I didn't do that. I didn't really do my quick presentation last time. Anyways, oh here it is. Anyways, so announcement problems operating system 2. I'm doing audio one practice for Giovanni de Jesus. Hello Giovanni, if you're watching this. What we're doing now is one that is a little bit more fun, but still is really just nats, right? Because what else there's to do with this is the thing that I like the most about Microsoft, right? It's just like anyone can install anything. Just click nats, bro. That's what it is. So what we need to do is we need to download three things before we can do anything. We're gonna do NanoServer Image, or you can do an install for it. Whatever we're gonna do image. So, what can you do with it? All right. So you need to download three things. You need to download this. I'm gonna put it down on the link if I remember. If I don't, just don't hold it against me. I'm pretty tired right now. Anyways, you need to download the image builder. Great. Move on. You need to download the ADK, the assessment and deployment kit, and you also need to download the pre-installation environment add-on for the ADK. Those three things. Then once you have them download, I'll move it to my download folder right now. I'll show you how they look like, right? So you first come into this NanoServer Image Builder. You click Next. It's gonna show it differently. It's Nats. You select wherever you want to put it, and that's it, right? That's the way Nano things work. I already have an install, that's why. So yes, cancel this one. Finish it, and then you install the ADK. The ADK looks pretty. Before. Okay, great, awesome. It didn't even open because I have other stuff in it. And then the last one you open is the tool, which is not gonna show you any of that. But you click on continue. This is what's gonna show you. And this you can unselect that and let you change, but you click on install, and then it installs. That's it. Really simple. You want to show I can see change? Yes. Close. So you can just go straight to where you installed the Nano Server Image Builder if you want to. I'll delete this one. There's nothing in it. You can just go straight there without doing any of the preparations I don't want to talk about right now. But because once you comment it, oh fuck, cancel, have it open. So once you comment it, it's gonna tell you what you need to know. It's really simple, right? I love you, Microsoft, for this. It tells you need to know where your binaries are, which means you need to know where your nano server information is at. Alright? And then you need to know where the where you're gonna put it. And you also need to know where your drivers are if you need drivers for anything. So I will probably need the. It does look like a desktop thing, I guess. I didn't really get that far. Hopefully it goes different this time. Anyways, that's what you need to know, right? So what are my binaries? I have an image. This all I have? An image? Alright, you come in here, go to open a new window. You come in here, alright. I'll have an ISO. That's all I have. Windows Server ISO. What do I do? Oh, you right click it and you click on mount. That's it. And then it gets here. My PC gets mounted as a drive. Easy. Great. So go back to this. Yes, I do know. Okay, so I'm gonna create an image, and then it tells you again, bro. You need to know where stuff is at. Alright, I know where stuff is at. Move on. So then you select where you mounted your ISO. Here it is. Here's my ISO. The outside thing. Do not point to the nano server. Point to the outside drive. Click on OK. Click on Next. And then it's gonna say your licenses. Yeah, red license. Thank you. You move on. Now you need to select where you're gonna put it. And I wanna put it here. Hello. Nano server. MG. And this creates a VHD. You can do that at standard 10. not worth it for what we're doing, right? Because we're gonna make it a short one. So you save it, and then you need to select how many gigabytes. So I'm gonna do. It says 8. What you really need, what you really need for it to work is 3 gigabytes. Like that's it. So I'm gonna give it. You know how much? I'm gonna give it 4. That's how bad I am. And then it's like, when are you gonna put the logs? Whatever you want. Leave it where it is. Nets, right? And then it's like, know your configuration before. Like, you need to know what you're doing. This is an advanced stuff. Yeah, it is, sure. And then it tells you like, what the thing is, data center. Oh, I guess that's why it happened the last time, right? Because I did not select the server core, right? Um, so I'm gonna probably do like this is gonna wait a lot. It's gonna take a while loading because it's getting information from what you mounted, which is in turn getting information from your where your image is at. Okay, so here I'm gonna select standard, and then it's gonna load again. I don't know why I did that, but I'm gonna select standard. I did a different song last time, so which song? Fly Me to the Moon. Guys, wanna hear that? So, okay. Here you select what your packages are, the packages you want. What packages I want from this? Literally nothing. Just move on. So drivers. Do we need drivers? We don't. Move on. What is the computer name? Because it's specified by the computer name, not contains by the name cannot consist of entire left digit may not be computer hyphen if you plan to use the main jump blah leave computer name only. I'm not planning to, so I'm gonna just put the same thing. That was 22 17 54 server core. Administrator password. We're gonna do I guess this one can. It can just be admin. Can it? It can. Here you select your time zone. You need it. I don't. Click on Nets. Am I gonna join a domain? I don't have a domain configured, so I'm not. Next one. Do we want VLAN? We do not want VLAN. And this is the way that you usually use that. Okay, so um, do I want to select IP? No, just get whatever IP is available whenever you open. And here we are gonna do basic then, because here we go. Basic nano server, right? And then I create it. And then this is gonna take around. Last time it took around 2 minutes for it to create a NanoServer image. Probably it's gonna take less now. But what's important about this is that down here we have what's PowerShell command. Power. Oh, it mounted another thing. It mounted another thing. Oh, that's cool. Anyways, that's probably why it didn't work last time. Anyways, so this here, this is a command, PowerShell command. We can just copy paste into PowerShell, and it's gonna create another nano server image, just like the one we created. So I was doing "Fly Me to the Moon," right? Fly me to the moon, and let me sniff on the star. The star. You are all love. That's not the one. It's you are all love. And that was the other one. You are all love. In other words, is it true? In other words, baby, kiss me. Sing with joy and let me sing. You are all I. 'Cause I want, but I love. 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 'C Well, I don't know that one that much. There's another one I can play. Oh, it's finished. So you close it, and there is your nano server image, and here are your builder, right? Your image builder, and it did not mount anything. Thanks God. But now, how do you use that? You ask me, and I'm like, okay, then you go to this VM thing, and you create another VM. Here it is. So I'm gonna create a new VM. Now this one's gonna be custom. Right? Oh, what those Nets? Oh, where's the? I'm gonna solve it later. Nets. Oh, where are those? I did that with 2019, 2016. Oh, what's the name? That's the name. Where am I gonna put it? Here, I'm gonna put it. Am I gonna put BIOS or Wi-Fi? I'm gonna do Wi-Fi. How many cores? One. Nets. How much memory? I'm gonna give it two. Cause last time I put one, it didn't work too much. How are you gonna connect? That. Uh, I/O controller. Recommend that. Virtual drive. Recommend that. Now this is the important part. Where is my virtual drive? And this is like I'm using it system one. And when you click that, it tells you, okay, so where is it? And that's where you come here and you say, oh, it is here. And select all types. It is here. You click open. You click next. You say keep existing format. Do not convert it for me. And then here you have the summary of what you just did. You click on finish. And once you do, here you have your BM. So you click on run. And it starts to run. And say, can I connect to Zeta 1? Yeah, because I don't have that in there. I'm attempting to start for. Yeah, I did have that last time around. So I'm going to shut this down. Uh, oh, it's the boot type. It needs to be. And it's I think it needs to be BIOS for it to work. So options. Let me see where there's a power full screen or disable snapshot. Auto protect isolation. Which mission start continue one two. We can see connectors. Version auto and oh here it is BIOS from bootable. Yeah, but I didn't change that before. So I changed it to BIOS. Here we go. And then let me see. I think it's gonna boot. Okay, it's gonna boot now. I think that's last time it was a issue. Okay, so this is booting. So whatever happens after this is not a problem of how to get it into VMware. It's more of a problem of. I mean, it's not a problem of how to create the image. The image is more of a problem of how to get it into VMware. So I'm just gonna give it a minute here and hope that it works. Because last time I got a blue screen of that whenever it was whenever we try to pass this point. I got a BOD. Here I have this one. It's for my account support fixes inaccessible boot device. Yeah, I cannot boot from it. This is meant to be run as. Let's stop it. Okay, this is meant to be run as a Hyper-V machine. This is not meant to be run as delete from this. Yeah, delete from this. This is not meant to be run as VMware. So that's probably why it's not working. I can't convert it to some other stuff with some other programs. But this is beyond the scope of this video. So thank you for watching and see you on the practice then.